Hello, and welcome to my tutorial on how to export palettes, custom levels for use in Bonelab. This video will already assume you have knowledge in the use of Unity in 3D modeling, and will not teach any of those concepts. It will simply show you how to export an already created level for either use with PCVR or Quest. First, start off by going to unity3d.com/getunity/download/archive. There will be a link in the description below. Head over to the Unity 2021.x tab. Scroll down to Unity Build 2021.3.5f1. It is recommended to click on the Unity Hub download button to download Unity Hub along with this build version. Next, you will need to install Git to your computer, so Unity can use it to fetch packages via URL. This will be how you acquire the Marrow SDK in the render pipeline for use in Unity. Head over to git scm/downloads and download and install your respective version. I will leave a link in the description below for that as well. Once Unity and Git are downloaded, you will be greeted with a window similar to this upon opening Unity. Click on New Project, then 3D URP. Name your project accordingly, and click Create Project and wait for Unity to finish building and importing the assets for the project. This may take a little bit of time. Once this process is complete, you should see what I have on screen currently. Go ahead and rename your scene by going to the Project window, Scenes, right-clicking and renaming it to the name of your level. Go ahead and delete the global volume, as well as the main camera, and the hierarchy. Now we're going to download the Marrow SDK package. There are 3 URLs that are used to do this, provided by Stress Level 0. To minimize potential mistakes, I recommend you head to Stress Level 0's GitHub page and copy the links directly from there. For ease, I save them to a text file on a drive where my Unity projects are stored. Once you have these 3 links, bring Unity back up, and in the top, click Window, Package Manager, then click the plus in the top left and add package from Git URL. Paste the URL and hit enter and let it compile the scripts and finish importing. Continue this for the other 2 links. Once that is complete, close the window and at the top click Stress Level 0, Void Tools, Validate Project Settings, and then click Fix All. Congratulations! You've imported the Marrow SDK and are ready to start building your level. Again, this video isn't a guide on how to use Unity, so we'll assume that your level has been created, finished, and you're ready to see all of its epic VR glory. Or maybe you just want to test out what you've done so far. So now I'll show you how to create a palette and build your level for PCVR or Quest. Once you have your level completed, open up the Asset Warehouse window by going to Stress Level 0, Asset Warehouse. I like to drag it under the hierarchy for ease of use. Now click Create Palette, and be sure to name your mod, and fill out the author field as well. When naming your mod, be very careful as these have unique identifiers that tie directly to your mod. An example given is, the name will be the stage name that players see during stage selection, and the author is, of course, how you want to be identified to the community. Now at the bottom, click Create. Once complete, you should have a palette over on the left in the Asset Warehouse window. Now we need to add a level crate. Select the palette in the Asset Warehouse window on the left, and on the inspector in the right, click Add Crate. In the window under Crate Type, select Level Crate, and make the crate title field the name of your level. In the Asset Reference field, we're going to drop the scene file here. So on the left in the project window, click the scene folder and drag the scene file into the Asset Reference field. Now click Create. Now in the Asset Warehouse window under Palette, you should see Level Crate, and under that, your level. Nice! Now we just need to pack it for whatever version of VR you use, or both if you're uploading to mod.io for everyone to use. Select your palette in the Asset Warehouse window, and in the inspector on the right, click either Pack for PCVR or Pack for Quest. Once completed, a window will open in the File Explorer with a folder called Stand-Alone Windows 64. Open this folder to see another folder, which is containing your custom level. This folder is the folder that will be copied and pasted into the Bonelab mods folder. A second congratulations is in order. You are now ready to load up Bonelab and check out your custom level. Any troubles that you're having with Unity, or anything pertaining to level modding, Unity use, or anything with the Marrow SDK, may be remedied by hopping into the Bonelab or Lava Gang Discord. There are text channels with dev help and mod help, and I found these very useful in answering questions or problems that I've run into that others have already had solved. Be sure to use the search function. I will also leave some links in the description below to some documentation and tips on creating levels with the Marrow SDK from Stress Level Zero themselves. Good luck, and I look forward to seeing what kind of mods you guys can come up with. Happy modding.